Okay guys, so look at that beautiful view, but it's gonna be ruined by one little single firecracker. Okay. Whew. I'm like, my heart is beating so fast.
Why? Wait, is it really moving fast?
Yes.
Why?
Because, okay. Wait, Mariella says she's gonna come and watch it. Mariella, stay here. Yes, there's Mariella from. Ah! Okay.
I'll stand on the chair.
So there's Mariella from Chavez Tube.
Gang, gang.
Alright guys, so what I was planning to do, it didn't work out. Brian, point at me. So what I was trying to do, it didn't work out, guys. But I just want to wish you guys, everybody, a happy 4th of July. Stay safe out there. Yeah, subscribe for more content. Like,
And
share
this might be the last time you guys. This might be the last time when you guys see us.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna say bye.
Goodbye, guys.
One up. So here we go, guys. Let me see, Brian. I'm so scared.
Oh.
That's all it does, Brian. That's all it does.
Now that's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You alright, Brian?
That's too lit. Oh my god. It's like a flashlight. Huh? It's like a
away, am I in the way?